Okay, if you're looking for a fun website dealing with science and experiments and ideas for science fairs, sciencebob.com is an outstanding site. Just a couple things to go through for you real quickly. So if you click on experiments, you can then go through and see how to build a hovercraft, a soap-powered model boat, a density experiment you can drink, and you can see it continues on. Now I'm just going to show you how you can build a hovercraft, which you can actually ride. Shows a little video here and what you'll need. Now, if you're also interested in science fair ideas, you can click on science fair ideas. And then here are your ideas down here. Some resources. There's some more resources here. And then the scientific method. So, great website, fun website to check out. If you have a class you're teaching science and you have a science fair coming up, or if you just have some children at home and you'd like to try some fun experiments with them. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.